More striping done for the white pinstriping on the frame. Pretty hard to get those curves really smooth, but perseverance. And that one there's nice, so I've already done that one, so it's just a case of doing all the others to bring out those highlights. Doing the flip side now of the pinstriping. Just waiting for this to dry, for not totally dry, because you don't want it peeling the base paint, what I sort of feel anyway. So I find if I take it off it up to about 20 minutes, it's not totally dry, but it'll let go of the tape. So, and this will be the finish of the pinstriping. A little clean up, of course, maybe some touch up here and there with the mustard, just to get it as best I can.